welcome back to MaddyMakes, a channel where I make stuff, pretty much. This week I made a crocheted hanging plant. Insert pictures here. I wanted to make it cool and Halloween themed, so like this could fit into my Halloween series. Sculpted like a little witch's cauldron. I'll insert like an image like over top of this of what it's gonna look like. I thought it'd be cool if the vines looked like bubbles that were overflowing, and so then it'd fit into the Halloween theme and it would all make sense. I crocheted the leaves because I can't keep plants alive for my life, and I didn't really want to kill anything for this project.
I'm here with you. I will live with you in this hellhole, but I must express myself. If you don't let me gut out this house and make it my own, I will go insane and I will take you with me!
Yeah, enjoy the ride. Hope you learned something. Hope you learned from my mistakes. I made so many with this air dry clay. Enjoy the ride. See you later.
Welcome to voiceover mode. So I'm using this fun air dry clay and we're gonna enjoy some clay ASMR. And then I'm gonna use this method where I make like a pinch pot. The air dry clay actually doesn't have much like structure to it, so it was really difficult to make something larger, which is why my first one turned out so poorly. This is actually the second one and I made it a lot smaller. The texture of the clay was really poor, so I used this knife tool to smooth it out. And then I'm inserting this wire into the center so I have something to attach the leaf dangle to later. And then I'm just piercing the sides so I can thread the chain through it to hang the pot. And finally making the small tiny cauldron legs. After it cured, I'm painting it with just black acrylic. When I was in high school, I used to purposely leave paint on my hands. So people would ask me in class if I was an artist, and I really had like a full Debbie Ryan moment where I would be like, oh, me? Artist? How'd you know? But yeah, I was not slick at all, and I'm actually saving painting the inside for later because I'm going to paint the inside green to add some dimension. I'm gonna drop the link to the tutorial I used in the description, so instead of describing what I'm doing, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the sped up footage of me crocheting. After you make one, basically you just repeat the process, alternating sides until you get a vine of the length of your liking.
So I just finished the first tiny one. It's not really finished. I only made one vine. I'm probably gonna make more vines to make it look more balanced, but I think it's so cute. It's like a tiny little witch's pot, and I made the feet separate, and I like I used this like extra strength glue to tack them on, which was not a great idea because it didn't work very well, but they're on there and they're so cute, and it just hangs from this little chain and it's like painted green on the inside. But yeah, I mounted this little metal thing on the inside so I could have something to tie the plants to, because I'm gonna do multiple vines, and like crocheting this was actually so cool and fun, and like I honestly love crochet YouTube, and this is my application to be on crochet YouTube, this little baby. I'm gonna add more little bebs to this vine, but like, love her. Yeah, crochet YouTube is like genuinely the sweetest place ever. Everyone is just like really nice. They're all just like, hey, I made this pattern, you guys enjoy. It's always free and really easy to follow. Like, I just started crocheting and I made just leaf. Like, what? So yeah, crochet YouTube, please accept me. I want to be a part of you so bad. Okay, signing off now. Bye. So here she is. She's hanging from a chain. This is her little tendrils. I think it's so freaking cute. She kind of sways. This is how I look editing from now on. I found these in a parking lot. I did wash them, but I am fully obsessed and I have not taken them off since matting them and washing them. Living my gamer girl fantasies.